Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to set Opera GX browser as your default PDF viewer on Windows 10 PC. For this, first select any PDF document on your Windows 10 PC and then right click on it and select here Open With option and then choose this one. Choose another app option. In the pop-up menu, you will see Opera GX browser. In case you don't find it here, scroll down and click on this one link, More apps. Now you should see Opera GX browser. Select it and then check this one option. Always use this app to open PDF files and then click on this one OK button. Now, whenever you will double click on any PDF file on your Windows PC, it will automatically open with Opera GX browser on your PC.